Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure your internship program with InternMatch. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the InternMatch website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Navigate to the dashboard upon logging in. Select the Internship Programs tab from the menu. Click on the Create New Program button. Fill in the required fields for your internship program. Include a compelling title that accurately reflects the position. Write a detailed description that outlines the internship objectives and tasks. Set the duration of the internship, noting both start and end dates. Determine the number of interns you want to hire for the program. Specify whether the internship is paid or unpaid. Select the qualifications or skills you are seeking in applicants. Add any necessary application requirements, such as resumes or cover letters. Choose the location for the internship, whether in person, remote, or hybrid. Review the program details to ensure all information is accurate and complete. Once verified, click the Submit button to create the internship program. Promote your internship program by sharing the link on social media and job boards. Monitor applications as they come in through your dashboard. Engage with applicants by responding to inquiries promptly. Schedule interviews with potential candidates once you filter through applications. Make your final selection and extend offers to the chosen interns. Prepare onboarding materials to ensure a smooth start for your new interns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.